Hey guys, Steve here, and today I've got some special free training for you. If you have ever tried affiliate marketing or you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to learn more, you want to be successful, I have access to some free training. It is a really good video course on affiliate marketing, and it gives you the basics, it gives you a good foundation on affiliate marketing, and it actually gets into some advanced topics on how to be successful with affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to show you kind of what it is, what you're going to get once you sign up, and I'm going to show you the back end and show you the content in this free course. So again, this is a free training course on affiliate marketing. It's going to show you how to find affiliate marketing niches and the right markets that you need to get into. In affiliate marketing, there's certain niches that are always going to be successful, and this is what people call evergreen niches, where you're always going to be able to make money. No matter what happens, they're always going to be there. So that's something that is taught and is a focus. And it's going to show you also how to create a free offer. And one of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing is to build a list. So it gets into that. It shows you how and what products to promote. There's all kinds of affiliate marketing programs out there, and you need to have a strategy, and you need to know which ones are the best to pick so you can make the most profits. And then the last part it's going to show you is it's going to show you how to get traffic and what type of traffic to go after. So affiliate marketing really is not that complicated. You need a good offer, you need good traffic, and you need those conversions. And once you have a good offer that converts and you match it with the right traffic and the right targeting, you're going to make money with affiliate marketing. So that's kind of an overview of what the course is, and I'm going to jump into the back end here and just show you really quickly what you're going to get with this training. So the first video gives you an overview of affiliate marketing. The second video shows you how to uncover the hottest affiliate marketing niches. The next video is going to show you how to find those offers that a lot of people don't know about, that are the ones that can make you the most money. And then here, video 5, it's going to show you how to set up a lead magnet page. So this would be a page where you offer something of value and you get people to sign up, and that way you can do more affiliate marketing to them in the future. The next video shows you what some affiliates do on their blogs and how to be successful with it. And then also there's a video that talks about super affiliates and what makes them successful and some of the things they do to have success. And then this video has a funny title, but basically what it is it's showing you some of the secrets of how to be successful with affiliate marketing. And I'll give you a hint. A lot of it has to do with the targeting and just knowing how to set things up properly. And video 9 actually shows you some secrets on how to get vendors to send traffic for you, which a lot of people don't know about. And then video 10 shows you some extra strategies to get extra traffic to your affiliate offers. As you'll see, this affiliate training course is as good or better than a lot of paid courses out there. So this is an amazing deal to grab this right now. And also when you sign up, you're going to get some extra content. You're going to get some of my recommended resources. So make sure you check that out once you get into the members area. So again, all you need to do to sign up is you need to click the link below this video, and then once you get to this page, just click this Join Now button and enter some very basic details, and then you will get signed up to get free access to this course immediately. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps you with your affiliate marketing strategies and being successful online, and I will see you on the other side.